Some issues, in addition to falling asleep while driving, accidents due to sleep deprivation. Decision-making in teenagers while driving is more impulsive, risky, and more aggressive due to immature prefrontal cortex area responsible for executive functioning. Our roads are a mixture of clean, good highways interrupted by narrow, crowded roads. Parked trucks on the highways without any lights, poor lighting in city roads, no reflector lines on the roads, overtaking at high speeds, especially at road curves, poor systems of handing over driving licenses without a proper test, poor education of drivers, double shift duties of drivers, very old vehicles with outdated safety features, over-enthusiastic young drivers, sometimes drunk,